Howdy, my name is Dawn. Welcome to. Okay, guys, I'm just kidding. I think I want to do a paint. I think I showed you guys paint a lot of times, but I think a little bit. Never made a review on it, so I'm gonna show you what I do. I think show you what they look like, and yeah, let me just sort this out a little bit first. There I go. There I go. This is what I have. This is my files here. I can click here if I want to a little bit. I think on view, home. I can do that. This is the, oh no, Adobe Paint 3D. This happens to be Paint 3D, which is better than Paint, but I just have to Paint 3D. Happy. I can do colors, white, purple, through here, extend this, go to here, see if I've got square, that's rubber. So remember rubber, I click this tools here, I do paints, and I can just easily just paint up my background. No. I'm gonna do it white again. A. I'm just gonna do what? I'm stuck. Rubber. Let's see what this one is. That doesn't do anything. It does. Whoa. It's easy actually. And then I think you got this one with the final one. Color. Purple. There you go now. 3, 2. I think I actually found this pretty nice actually. Click here. Look, rubber, and a little trick I do, because look, this is gonna take me a long time. So what I do a trick here, like you saw my videos, I make the rubber massive. So I make my little rubber massive. As well, I think if I click here, it says shapes, which is right up to brush it in size. So shapes, and I can easily just draw a purple arrow. Very well. If you do shapes again, look like you've been drawing. It's like, come on, this is fancy. And I think I love paint a lot actually. I've been using it a lot in my videos, or just to do my intros in my videos for fun. Brushes. Looks like this, swirly. Crop it off. You can do a color. You can do tools. Do black, which is like writing the color. Or instead of rubbing it off, just go to white and just try to brushes. This one. Whoa! And just white it off. That'll do. go. This is fun, just to say the least. I think you like this video. There's a lot more of me to show you clipboards. Now, you can even do brushes, this type of brush, saws, and yeah, that's the basics I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you a little more by using the home view. Or a really cool trick is that let's take a paint yellow. Yeah, it just vanishes. So if you really want to just press this little arrow here and here. You don't need to use the rubber, just press the arrow. Which will be easy, but go to view, you go to here, you got full screen. Whoa. Oh, I thought I was stuck in full screen for a second. At least that wasn't. Full screen. Okay. Thanks guys for watching. Or this little thingy right here shows you how much percent it is. It's 50. 0 point. I'm gonna end it like this, alright? So, I love pictures in here, you better see it. Thanks guys for watching. And I will see you. Oops. 50% later.